The suffix ity transforms adjectives into abstract nouns. These nouns represent states, qualities, or conditions. For example, activity means the state of being active, reality means the quality of being real, and ability means the capacity to do something. The basic rule is simple. Take an adjective and add the suffix ity to create an abstract noun. This new noun describes a state, quality, or condition. For example, possible becomes possibility, which means the state of being possible. Active becomes activity, which means the state of being active. Real becomes reality, which means the quality of being real. Able becomes ability, which means having the power or skill to do something. These are the most common examples to remember. Able becomes ability, meaning capacity to do something. Equal becomes equality, meaning the state of being equal. Possibility means the chance something can happen. Necessity means something that is needed. Opportunity means a favorable situation. For most adjectives, simply add ity. Simple becomes simplicity. When the adjective ends in e, drop the e first. Diverse becomes diversity. These spelling patterns help form correct nouns every time. Practice makes perfect. Turn curious into curiosity. Popular becomes popularity. Creative becomes creativity. Responsible becomes responsibility. Complex becomes complexity. Now you know how to master the suffix ity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.